สวัสดีค่ะ
Let's go, boys, just at the top of the BTS. Let's go down and have a look. Soi 11. Alright, let's see if anything's changed since I've been down here last time, and that was what, 3-4 months ago. Let's have a look. No, thank you. Hello. No, thank you. Well, all the banks and ATMs are still here. That's exciting. At least you know you can be able to get money out when you go for a drink a night out in the town and you need to get some cash out. All good. Zanzibar, a few people in there. Quite a few people having a good feed. Interesting. 7-Eleven's there, is that? Yeah, I reckon that's a new 7-Eleven. Don't know. Japan Wagyu. Looks alright. Is that new? Oh no. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Taco Bell. Empty. So it should be. Hungry Jack's. Oh, sorry, not Hungry Jack's. Burger King. That's pretty average. Wine Connection, that's still going strong. Always will, I reckon, for the rest of the lifetime. Yeah, a few people in there. Ambassador Hotel. Looks busy as per usual. Fitness club up there. Well, this is quiet. Amazing. Thai food. I'm sure that used to be called something else. No. Banana sticky rice. Fresh seafood. Those crabs, they look nice, don't they? Very nice. Other entrance to the Ambassador. Yeah, the broccoli trucks are still here. They haven't moved. Oh, actually, it's not broccoli truck. It's now a fruit shop. What's that? That used to be a broccoli truck, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Bus there, being noisy. Hey mate. Go away bus, bloody noisy. Here's Mullis, this has been here for a long time. Mullis Tavern. Got all your footy, all your sports, everything. Old German beer house. That's busy as well. That's good to see. Last time I was here, these places were pretty quiet. So they're doing all right, actually. It's good. Good. This joint's closed down. Don't know what that was, or it's getting renoed. Sugar Club. Bar froze. Empty. Oh, there's a couple of people in there, not many. Probably about 3 or 4, that's about it. Oh, told to move on. Never stayed there. Let me know in the comments if anyone has, whether it's any good or not. Looks okay, the Mercure. El Gaucho, the place for steak. Hillary's 3 over there. A few people in there. Doing well. Good to see. This joint was packed last time. Still quite full again now, which is good. Nice breeze in there too, actually. Very nice. Looks good. Looks good. What's that? That's Citadines. Looks empty, man. Okay. Don't know why. Maybe everyone's out, who knows? Abundance. Now that's new, I haven't seen that before. I don't know what that is. Jamaican restaurant. Oscar Bar. All these new places, man. This wasn't here last time, or it was, but it was renamed something else. Oscar Bistro. Cheslin French Cafe and Eatery. Closed. That's just closed for the day, I think. It's not closed down. Quickie is empty. Ladies look nice. What's this place? Eden on Bangkok. That's a hotel, I think, isn't it? I think so. Rista. Hillary's over there. Quite a few people there. You're kidding me. Is this a currency exchange in a van? What the hell? Now that's a great idea. How good's that? What are they doing the dollar for? 23.25. That's not bad. Wow, that's good rates. Interesting. Oops, sorry. Wow, there you go. Haven't seen that before. Have not seen that before. There's Bang Bang Burgers. Very nice place. Hey, how are you, boss? Good burgers here, mate. Oh, smell of broccoli. It is potent here. Right in the corner there. Moon Restaurant, halal food, Moon Restaurant again. Nothing's changed down there. Looks all normal to me. Might cross over, I think, and have a walk down the other side and see what we can find. Got your lights on, buddy? Might help. If they work, who knows, mate? So, Hillary's, Sweaty Cup, how you going? Doner kebabs. That's cool. What's that? Have a quick look at this. Bit of artwork, mate. Oh, that's a doner kebabs, is it? That is too. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? That looks nice. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get back onto the road. Cut through here. Paradise. Surely that wasn't called Paradise last time. I'll have to check my old videos. I'm sure that didn't say Paradise. That looks new. That looks new. Quickie is dead. Absolutely dead. No one in there. No one in there. The A-Loft apartment complex, still there, still kicking. So what's this joint? Abundance. I saw it from over there before. What is it? Whoop. Sorry. So I just wanted to have a look at it, see what it was. What is it? What is? I'll walk this way. Is this restaurant? Huh? Restaurant.
ใช่
Ah, just look, have a look. Cup and cup.
ไอ้โซลินไม่เห็น
That's okay, no problem. Ah, okay. Okay, cup and cup. Thank you. Oh yeah, very nice. So this is a restaurant, Abundance. Pork chops, small plates, grilled scallops from the US, mixed salads, pastas. Yeah, okay, interesting. There you go. Thank you, sir. Cock and cup. Have a good day. Run. Thank you. Frying pan, jerk grill. A few people in there. Few people in there. Like how they got that mist coming down in that place. What's it called? I don't know. Looks alright though. Tony's looks quiet. Pizza and pasta. Oh, there's a few people in there. Looks alright. Kitchen, New York Italian pizza pasta bar. Cool. Hillary's 3. People in there, always is, always will be, I reckon. Very popular place. Very popular place. A hairdresser, do getting a haircut. Oop. Oh, that was close. That was close. Ooh. Sugar Club. The band singing. Wake up. Doesn't sound that good. Well, that air conditioning is nice. Hemingway restaurant, bar, beer garden. Nice. This joint's good. I've been here before. Sweaty Cup, how are you? Good? Nice place this, Hemingway's. Very nice place. There's the old German beer house. Doing well. Smell broccoli again. There are quite a few people in there. Quite a few people in the Mullis bar. Quite a few people. There's a bit of a dark end down here, outside the Ambassador. Can't believe that's a fruit shop now, the old vans, mate. They obviously got rid of those broccoli trucks. There used to be 2 of them there, mate, every night. Don't know what happened to them. I probably do. They probably had done each other, mate. There's that many shops in Thailand that are broccoli shops. One Connection's lights aren't working, mate. It looks like it's closed, but it's not. It's still open. Japan Wagyu. I might have to try this joint. Looks alright, mate. It's alright, Sweaty Cup. Looks alright. Come here. Osaka Nana. Japanese. Looks alright. Looks alright. How's that bloody money exchange earlier? The bloody minivan. What a great idea that is. And his rates were better than that joint that I use up here. Might have to go follow him around. Hopefully I can find him again. The 22.7 was the Aussie dollar at every other joint that I've looked at. They had a 23.7. So that's not bad. It's not bad at all. So, anyway, Great idea, I think. No, thank you. All right, we're coming up to the end here. Soi 11 what are we? Soi 11? Oh, no, thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Please like the video. It helps me out heaps, guys. It really does. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.